Welcome back, guys. I have a little quick video for you today on ceiling tiles. You know, back in the day we used to mostly use staples, but if you go get this stuff here, Loctite all-purpose adhesive, this is what you want to glue down your styrofoam what have you type tiles to the ceilings and things like that. At the end of the video you'll see how I just kind of put some spots around each corner and here and there. There's no particular way you need to put it on. Just make sure you be kind of generous with it, and then firmly press it up there, hold it for a second or two, and just kind of smooth it out with your hand. And you don't have to stay in there for very long, just a few seconds is long enough to hold it, and then it's gonna grab really fast and you're done. And that's a quick way to put up some old ceiling tiles and get her done without a bunch of staples and a bunch of power tools and all that. So just wanted to pass that along. Watch the end of the video for how I did the gluing, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.